No! This can't be happening to me!
Oh, that's a nice pair you have.
Wait! No! I'm not ready!
I'm ready. Why don't I show you?
Let the girl go?
What? How dare you disturb my game of cards? Aha, you are one of Gorda's pets. Hey, get back here! Your family owes Echigoya, damn it!
Echigoya.
Looks like you chose the wrong party to crash.